fall down.
Go get him, dude.
Deep breath in. Rise up. Now, at the top of your position.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, see?
Oh my gosh.
Sky, and your head is over your
Whoa.
your hips. This
She's concentrating.
is crescent pose.
Focus. Look at legs.
One more.
Good job, Chloe.
Reach.
Oh, I broke your concentration. Daddy's fault. Come here.
Go get him.
Can you crawl to me? Yes. Yes.
There you go.
My goodness, you're scooting around? You weren't even doing that before. Wow, you can get up. Oh, is that in your way? Well, push it out of the way, girly. Push it out of the way. Ugh. Come on, Chloe. You're doing it. Give me your hand. You're doing it. You're getting up. Your butt's up. Yeah, you're scooting around. You're amazing. You're amazing.